हम छोटी छोटी बातों पर हर्ट हो जाते हैं, छोटे छोटे इश्यूज़ बड़े बन जाते हैं क्योंकि हम उन पे हर्ट हो जाते हैं, है ना। तो द क्वेश्चन इज़, if the person is completely shattered from within, what we can do? But don't you think so? It is itself a question, because the question is, should we allow ourselves to get hurt from any situation? Yes, should we allow ourselves? It's completely our choice, right? It's totally dependent on us how we take things. Say someone has said something to me. The situation is outside, okay? Situation involves another person's behavior. And after listening what another person has said to me, what I am going to do? I am going to create a thought here on my soul. And once thought is created, then feeling, then I will speak, and then I will behave. So the thought which I have created here on my mind after listening to what another person has said, that is completely outside. It means the situation was completely outside, but after listening we have created the thought, and then accordingly we will behave. So whose choice? The thought which has been created here is whose choice? Right? Are you getting it? It's totally our choice, because we have created. We are the only creators of our thought. आजकल एक चीज़ बहुत कॉमन है, हम लोग कहीं भी जाते हैं या कोई भी ट्रिप, फैमिली ट्रिप प्लान करते हैं या हम कहीं जाने के लिए रेडी हो जाते हैं, तो वी नीड टू कैप्चर एवरी मोमेंट, एवरी सीन इन आवर लाइफ. So every picture is every picture have to be clicked, captured, saved and posted, right? And once the picture got posted, what next? Can you tell me? What next? So the next is our expectation that everyone should like it, everyone should comment on it. And if everyone don't comment, everyone should not like, then we will become unhappy. It means in this situation, our happiness got dependent on them. हम एक फ़ोटो खींचने के लिए बहुत अलर्ट हो जाते हैं in terms of our posture, our dress, and we should always maintain a smile just because for the sake of photo we are doing this. अगर हम ये सोच लें सारा दिन एक फ़ोटो खींच रही है, कहाँ? यहाँ. Every thought is getting recorded here. अगर हम ये सोच लें कि अगर हम क्रिटिसिज्म किसी के लिए हमने अपने मन में किया तो वो उनको दिख जाएगा, सारा क्रिटिसिज्म ख़त्म हो जाएगा हमारा, अगर हम ये सोच लेंगे. पर हम ये सोचते हैं कि हमारे वर्ड्स, हमारे बिहेवियर ही दूसरों को दिखते हैं. इनसाइड तो वी कुड थिंक एनीथिंग, whatever we want to think, है ना. और ऐसा करने से क्या हो जाता है, जो हमारी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड है वो डाउन हो जाती है, नेगेटिव हो जाती है. एंड जब हमारा नेगेटिव हो जाता है स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, विच मीन्स द थॉट्स विच आर गेटिंग रिकॉर्डेड, बिकॉज एवरी थॉट इज़ गेटिंग रिकॉर्डेड. तो वो थॉट्स अगर हमने नेगेटिव कर दी तो क्या हो जाता है, वी आर इन सो मच पेन. And that's what we call emotional illness. So who is responsible for this? Self. We are only responsible for our emotional illness. So does our happiness dependent on situation? Is it so? Are you getting it? How it works? Somebody has said something, somebody didn't comment on our picture, and what are the feelings that we have, that we may go through. तो हम ये सोच लें, मतलब why we want others to like it? Because we have clicked our pictures, because we like it, because we want it. So we should enjoy every scene, every moment in our life. Why we wait? Why we have to wait for others that they should like it first? If they like it, then I became happy. If they don't like it, if they don't comment, then simple things get complicated. Okay, let's take another example. मैंने किसी को कहा, I don't like your dress. It's also a very common thing. If someone commented on our dressing style that I don't like your dress, then also we got hurt. है ना? It's a very common thing. So we need to understand here, if I say to someone that I don't like your dress, what I am reflecting. Friends, I am reflecting my choice, my preference, my mood, my taste. So if someone had said something, how can I got affected? If I am not liking that dress, it means it's my choice. पर हमने तो उसको अपनी पसंद से लिया था. We buy it for ourselves, not for others. तो जब हमने कोई ड्रेस अपनी पसंद से ली है, we should like it. हम ऐसा क्यों सोचे कि दूसरे भी उसको अप्रिशिएट करें? जब तक दूसरे कमेंट नहीं करेंगे तब तक कुछ मज़ा नहीं आएगा. इस सिचुएशन में भी our happiness got dependent on others, but actually it is not. Suppose there is a bouquet which is full of rose flowers. I buy it for myself because I like it. But some people may not like it. Some people may like it. Some people says, wow, it is so very beautiful. Some says it is okay kinds. Because choice cannot be same. Different people may have different choices, है ना? तो अब हमने flowers change, कभी flowers affected होते हैं? Like if we say bouquet is beautiful, so flowers are getting prettier, and if we say that bouquet is not good and flowers are getting sulk, like they are getting prettier or sulk according to the words which we have said. No, they always remain same. तो अगर किसी ने कमेंट कर भी दिया हमारी किसी चीज़ पे, तो we just have to understand this कि they are reflecting their choice, their mood, their preference, not ours. हमने कोई चीज़ ली है, वो हम अपने पसंद से ली है. तो लाइफ में कुछ चीज़ें हैं, like what objects we are using, what clothes we are going to wear, what kind of a work we are doing. We are doing it because we are liking it, we have passion, है ना? एंड जो दूसरा कोई कमेंट कर रहा है वो अपने स्टेट ऑफ माइंड की वजह से कर रहा है. तो हाउ कैन वी गेट अफेक्टेड सो मच? इट्स लाइक दिस, जैसे टीवी का रिमोट होता है, हम बटन दबाते हैं, चैनल चेंज हो जाता है. हमारी लाइफ का भी एक रिमोट होता है. ठीक है, हमने क्या मिस्टेक की होती है, हमने अपने लाइफ का रिमोट सब जनों में बांटा होता है. कोई उसका बटन दबाता है, वी गॉट सो मच हैप्पी. कोई उसका बटन दबा देता है, वी फील सो सैड. किसी का फ़ोन आ जाता है, ओ वी फील सो जॉयफुल. किसी का फ़ोन नहीं आता है, वी फीलिंग सो सैड. हमें अपना रिमोट सिर्फ अपने हाथ में ही रखना होता है. दूसरे को देंगे तो सब कुछ दूसरों पे डिपेंड हो जाएगा. From an experience, some people became wiser. They learn so much and move ahead in his or her life. And some people will make it horrible mess. Choices are worse. It is as simple as that. सिर्फ छोटी सी बात तो समझनी है कि सब कुछ हम पे डिपेंड करता है. सिचुएशन आउटसाइड होती है, बिहेवियर आउटसाइड होता है, बट उन सब को सुन के हम यहाँ क्रिएट कर लेते हैं थॉट. फिर वो फीलिंग बनती है, फिर हम स्पीक करते हैं, फिर हम बिहेव करते हैं. आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो दैट्स इट. आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट and thank you for being with us. Keep watching Smile with Bhanvi. Bye.